What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. Just a short little kind of doing whatever. I don't know. I like to put out content for you guys, so I'm here today with Billy. We got his A4 and we're gonna be installing a air intake, which is in that bad boy right there. So he's just starting to get rid of, or start taking out the whole bumper. But we gotta take this out, follow it down here, and then install the new one. Wow, your cat is huge too. Look at the size of that thing. Beautiful 30-degree day, so that kind of sucks, but we're out here. I don't know, are you gonna get any horsepower gains out of it? I'm not sure. No. That'll sound cool though. Let's unbox this baby. This is your single big turbo kit, right?
Yeah, right. I wish.
Ooh, okay. Oh, is it an ECS brand?
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't even know they made intakes. That's sick. Damn, look at that packaging. My first car was a 1999 Volkswagen Passat, and I got so many parts from these guys. That's hilarious that they're making like parts now. Good for them. Everything's super wrapped up, so not quite the coolest unboxing. We're gonna get this unwrapped and kind of laid out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Got the two whips sitting real nice. Looking good. Looking pretty dirty, but still not low. Coming soon. Don't worry, guys. What did you say?
My hands are so fucking cold.
We're out here getting content for you guys, so if you're not subscribed, please hit that button below. We've got a lot of good shit coming to this channel, and I'm gonna be doing some things to that car very soon. I've got a new mod coming in for that car on Monday, or tomorrow. Yes, let's get it. Let's do a little thing here. Comment down below hashtag Audi or hashtag BMW, and let me know what your guys' favorite is. I'm gonna kind of tally up all of it and see which one the winner is, but hashtag Audi, hashtag Beamer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Car parts, damn it. You know that feeling when you're just like constantly checking the tracking information on your car parts that are supposed to be coming in? I do that, and I check my mailbox way too frequently, but no car parts yet. Supposed to be here tomorrow. I'm not even gonna pretend like it's warm enough outside. It is too cold, I had to get a hat. Let's go see what Billy's got going on now. Billy, you done yet? I think while Billy is continuing the progress on that, I've actually got something for the F30. Something small, but something I've definitely been meaning to put on there. This one. If you guys are interested in picking up any of these stickers, I do have them on my website. You can find them at www.elevatedmediamerch.com or in the link down below. All right, where do you guys think I should put this? I used to have a lot of stickers here on the rear quarter panel, but I think I want to kind of do the, put it on here, but I'm not really sure if I want to put it up top or maybe either like right below it, right above it, or up there. I kind of like right above it. That looks kind of dope. Come on, train. I'm trying to vlog here, bro. Every damn day. Nice. Looks good. Just to show you guys where we're at. So we built this whole frame thing. We put in this shield here. We just have to connect the piping from here to here and then put the actual cone filter on. So we're almost done. We just gotta tighten this on and this thing should be in good shape. On these cold days, even if I don't plan on driving the Prelude, I definitely like to start it just because it's carbureted, and if I don't run it for a little bit each day, it just becomes a real nightmare to turn on. So, and I didn't want to tell Billy it's really damn cold out there. Let's see how many tries we get to start this thing. I'm gonna guess 8 tries. 8 tries to start this car is my guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 5. Didn't even take 8. 5 it is. Real quick for my pop-up headlight boys and girls, if you're out there. Definitely in the winter time, it's really good to just leave them up, because when it's this cold out, like anything below 30, I mean, it's probably just too cold, but you risk burning out the motor. And if you have pop-up lights, your car's pretty old. And if your car's pretty old, it's pretty hard to find those parts. So just as a safety precaution to not burn out the motor, leave your pop-ups up. That way you have them for nighttime and you're not stressing out the motor. So that's just one thing I do. So I'm thinking about trading my NRG wheel. If anybody is interested in maybe doing a trade up, it doesn't have to be NRG, but your wheel does have to be able to fit on an NRG adapter. So if anyone's open to trading, this is the deep dish suede wheel, and it's in great condition still. I've only had it on for, I don't know, like 4 months. But I don't actually like the deep dish on this car because it pulls my hand really far away from the blinker there. So I have to like reach for it a lot, as well as sit my seat pretty far back because the wheel is about an inch closer than it would be if it was like, you know, right here. So anybody have any sick wheels that you're interested in getting rid of? Preferably suede, black leather. I might even mess around with like wood grain. If you have it, let me know, and maybe we can trade. But just throwing it out there. Comment down below. Currently using the Prelude's heat to heat up this molding because that thing is just way too cold and we can't wrap it. So doing what we can here. Not going anywhere. Nice. All right, Billy, fire it up. Don't go ham. I got neighbors. No leaks. Oh, yo, you gotta plug in your map. Turn your car. Yeah, turn the car back off. Shit. Did you go to check engine light just now? Now it's off. Give it a little bit. Woo-hoo-hoo. That sounds so much better. Oh, wow, it's really bright, but the cold air intake is in. I think it sounds pretty dope. It sounds a lot like the InGen intake that I have in the F30, so dope. You're gonna love this, dude. It makes such a big difference. Even if it's just sound and not horsepower, like,
I just love it.
It makes it sound so much better, yeah. Woo! Sick, bro. Got that rev limiter, boy. What? That rev limiter. That sounds so nice. I love turbo cars. Nothing better in my opinion. Oh. Initial thoughts?
Love it.
Love it? Yeah. Yo, you sound like a tuned car now. Once you get the tune on this thing, it's gonna sound fucking perfect. And I don't know, do they offer like crackle maps for yours? Fuck
It
yeah.
just came out with one.
Oh, that's gonna be sick. I would say for turbo builds, if you have a stock turbo, air intake, front mount intercooler, charge pipe, boost pipe, you should be in good shape. And then if you match that with a tune, you're just gonna get pretty much all that you can out of the stock turbos without going like a big single turbo or something like that. But damn, there's a lot of potential with these German turbos. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I know the F30 turbos are actually Japanese made, and I wouldn't be surprised if these ones are Japanese too, because I don't know, they just know how to build turbos. Billy's gonna head home because he's gotta go to work. I don't really know what I have planned for the rest of the day. I know my buddy Ryan wanted me to come over and help him steam clean his carpets. It sounds like a horrible fucking time though. Billy, it's been real, bro.
Unreal.
Enjoy your new intake. I'm sure it's gonna be a fun ride home. Bye, Billy. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big like. Comment down below if you have any mod suggestions, whatever you wanna talk about, I'm all ears, and I like to hear from you guys. So we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost at 900, so we're gonna be there before we know it. But if you're not already subscribed, please hit that button. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, man. Have an elevated time, and don't let the small shit bring you down. See you guys. Peace.